Hello, traders. What a day. Today is one of the days where I usually stay out of the market. If you look at the gold, it dropped 150 points overnight. Right now, it's about 8 a.m. US Central Time. Today is November 14th. So, I'm not going to be trading any live accounts or prop firm accounts or anything like that. But what I can do is I can trade the demo account. So in here I have the paper trading account attached to it or connected. So I'll be just trading on the demo account today. No live, no prop firm today. Okay. All right. So let's see. So one of the levels that I wanted to took the trade on was this one. It is struggling to go past this level, past that level. But again, there's another one down here. This one is two, as well as the larger level is down here somewhere around 4020 or so. I'm just watching on the 1 minute chart on the right here to see if I get any hint as to it might be reversing. Okay. It looks like it. I don't know. And as far as the resistance goes, it'll definitely be stalling somewhere around here. As well as the another big one is right here. So again, if I'm taking any long here, that needs to be out by 4080 before here. For selling, I may be interested in selling up around 4105. Don't know if it's gonna get there or not. Here it's a little bit risky level to sell at because price can easily go right back into around 4110. Okay, but we'll see if there are any practice trades comes up that I would like to take. Okay, for now, as you see, I'm not a trend line guy person, but here's the downward. Right? Yeah. I don't need to draw that. I can see easily right here. Try to break lower, came back up. Break lower, came back up. Again, it's trying to break lower, but it needs to start trading above here, 4060, for it to push a little bit higher up to like 4080 range. Okay, for now, it's a little risky. I do like this level here though. It's right at the level at 4045. Let me check the other time frame. It's got the liquidity buildup here as well. So again, there is a chance that it could get a bounce. Let's see what this is doing. If it start around here, I may go long. Okay, not yet. Let's see. Or I may just wait for another spike down. Yeah, this thing is holding up. Not the 1 minute, 1 hour. Yeah, this thing is good. 4046. I may take a stab at it. Let me just go long here. Okay, I just got long here. Let's see if this breaks. For the stop loss, should I be putting here? Just at the low. It could easily stop me out, because as you see the pattern, it's doing this, right? So it could easily knock me out here. So the safer would be here, but again, that's instead of stop, let me see. The take profit is definitely somewhere around here. 79 for. Let me look at different time frames. Alright, so 15 minutes. Yes, 79.4. 1 hour, yeah. 79.4 seems to be reasonable. Yes, 79.4 is reasonable. Okay, I'm gonna keep it there. Now for the stop. Okay, for now I'm going to be keeping below this level here. What's that? 40.25, 40.16. This one definitely gonna have gonna hold. You know, I'm just gonna put it just right below the 36 versus 27. Yeah, let me just put it below this level here, 23.5. Okay, 23.5 is the stop. Limit 79.4. And again, I'll try to move it up if I see any price that's suggesting for it to go higher. Okay. All right, let's wait and watch. All right, it slowed down a little bit. Okay, now this should get supported over here. I mean, it's definitely coming back for a retest here. It's not out of the woods yet. So, okay, those are bodies. The bodies is right here. Let me check different time frames to see if there are anything. Yeah, somewhere around like 85-ish. Yeah, 84, 85. If I were to take a short here, that's risky now. Even though it's all selling off, but you never know. This thing rip higher any moment. Okay, I'm just gonna let it run for now. We are seeing the spike down because the U.S. market just opened. So if you look at the Nasdaq is just a spike lower. Let's see if anything on the Nasdaq. No, it's pretty nice fall. Maybe interested somewhere around here. 645 to 500. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna focus on the gold for now. Yeah. Yeah, this level should protect the stop loss here. So I'm not convinced that it's gonna rip through my stop loss right here before taking any retracement back from here. So again, if it were to hit this level, it should get at least up to here, or at least retrace back above the entry price. So now let's see what other behavior it's setting up. So you try to break lower again. Now it's coming back into the range. So this is looking good. I just want the price to start trading above here. Whoa, you see that? The NASDAQ. Oh my, okay. Okay, we came back up above this level here. So that level should hold for now. And you may see a spike here. Well, 78. I think there was like 85 or some. Yeah, somewhere around like 80, 85, 8. $85.8, which is not a bad level. 85.8, yes. And then there is a big one here. So even if I take 85, the ideal stop would go somewhere around here, 25 or so. That's a little bit big stop, but we'll see when it gets there. If I want to take an entry short, which does look good, 85. I can move this to 85, but I'm just not gonna be too greedy. I'm just gonna get it out, take it out here at 79.4. Alright, so this one does has a room to go close to 84. So let me just move this limit here at 84.1. Okay, 84.1. And what was that? Somewhere around 80. What's the low here? The low here is 86. 86, so let me get rid of this. Okay, so that's out of the way. All right, so the line here is 85.8. 84.1. Let me put a sell order here at 85. So again, I'm exiting my long position here at 84.1 and selling one here at, what was that, 85.8. What happened? It didn't pick up. It will come. Sometimes the trading view is lagging when the market opens. Oh, you see, I just put a sell limit like 10 minutes ago and now it came up. All right, so that's the lagging part on the trading view. Okay, so the high of the wick is 94. So let me put a stop on here is 96.2. It will come up eventually. All right, so I'm taking the profit for the long position at over here 84.1, and then shorting one gold future at 85 with the stop above 96.2. If you recall, previously I had the take profit level here at some 79.4 or 79.2, somewhere around here. So that should have got hit already. But I just got, well, not a little gary, but I see the level here that has a higher probability. So okay, we're almost there. I need to step away in a minute for about 10-15 minutes, so I may not be able to watch this during that. Oh, the long is taken out, so long is good. That trade is done. Now we're waiting for the short to get filled, right around 85. So we'll see. All right, I'm back. What a great mist. You see the sell limit is at 85, and this one went as high as 85. All right, and I didn't get filled, so that's a bummer. Anyway, let's see what's going on here. So again, if I change this to 30, yeah. Let me see. There is still a chance that it may spike up there. Or I'll just call it a missed trade. Yeah, just right on the nose.